Good morning. It's now Take Back Friday. It's time for another edition of the PulseWave Report with yours truly, Dex the Outgo Capitalist, aka the Vulcan, coming to you live from PulseWaveTrading.com, home of the world famous PulseWave Price Trigger Reports. All right, so today's Take Back Friday. Normally, markets have been down all week. We'll tend to see a little bit of a bounce on profit taking and vice versa. Anything that's been up all week may pull back, but not always. Sometimes Friday can be a continuation pattern. Just depends on certain market conditions. Anyway, today is going to be our second Q&A. We're going to be doing a live Q&A, and I just found out this morning that you do not have to register. It's going to be here live on YouTube. So I guess it's all good. I thought you had to register. I was wrong. So those that had reached out saying that you didn't know where to register at, you couldn't find it or what have you, that's because you don't have to register. All right, it's going to be here. Yeah, I think we're going to start like 10:15. So that's in about 45 minutes or so. And you want to bring your questions, man. Whatever questions you have regarding these markets, regarding the PulseWave reports, whatever. Bring it on in, because it's going to be your opportunity to ask those questions and get answers to those questions. We'll see what happens. Other than that, this morning is an interesting morning because we are hitting new all-time highs in the stock index futures, and markets are trying to do what we discussed last night. That's why it's important to capture these end-of-day reports, because we do go into detail. We go into some length as to what it is that you may be able to expect with the markets. And we do cover that. We cover a wide range of markets, and we try to bring you the most up-to-date information we can possible. So definitely, if you missed last night's end-of-day report, you're probably going to want to go and check that out. Other than that, not a whole lot to talk about this morning. I mean, there's wars and rumors of wars. There's rumors on rumors. Looks like Sweden and Denmark and the U.S. will be issuing immunity passports in the near future. And it's looking like in the near future, international travel will only be allowed for those with enough resources to secure tests and or vaccines. So you won't be able to be free to travel anymore. So that's disheartening. And we already knew that was coming. Let's see what else is going on. Let's see. A lot of people who want the vaccine can't get it. They don't have it. All that talk of, hey, we're gonna make sure we have X amount of people done in 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, whatever. Let's see here. A lot of executive orders signed by the new president. So a lot of money is going to be thrown at not just the markets, but a lot of bread and circus is about to be thrown at the populace. So that's pretty much just about it. Normally, Fridays tend to be a little boring. They are trying to push for this green thing, which is going to cost the global economy hundreds of trillions of dollars and will use more energy than we're currently using on fossil fuels. Make no mistake about that. Let's see. Very looks like they got a fall guy from one of the so-called Reddit traders that made money doing GameStop. And the world is just out of control, man. The world is just out of control. But anyway, 10:15 Eastern Standard Time is what we're gonna do. We're gonna be about that. Q&A, second one of the year. Come on and check it out. And other than that, everyone have a great weekend. You know, it's been a wild ride this week, and I think the markets are setting up for really big runs this coming week. I think Sunday night's going to be interesting. I think that the markets are ready to run. I think there's a lot of money that the Fed is backstopping with these markets. So I think to the moon is where everything wants to go. If you look at it across the board this morning, you got gold and silver bouncing from the lows. You got the U.S. stock indexes rallying. You got Bitcoin rallying. You got natural gas rallying. You got soybeans rallying, wheat rallying. The only thing that's not rallying is the bond market and the US dollar index. Everything else is rallying. So you know what it is. Bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. See you guys at the Q&A. Peace.